video. I know it's been a while. Little life update. Nothing's really been going on. Nothing's really been too crazy. Pretty much just like work, and I don't know. I just felt like I needed sort of like a little break from, you know, videos. Not because like I'm burnt out or anything. It's just, you know, I kind of want to just take a little break. That's pretty much it. But it is Super Bowl Sunday, so that's why like it's pretty empty. Like roads are like super empty actually, but compared to like the usual. But it is the, I mean, I'm not really big into football like that. I'm like a casual watcher, I guess, especially when it gets to the last part of it. I am a heavy like Lions fan though. It is the what? The 49ers versus the Chiefs. I'm going to be rooting for the 49ers just because the Chiefs, I don't know. I used to like the Chiefs. Like, I like a lot of the Kansas City, like, stuff that they got, like the Royals, the Chiefs, but it's just, I don't know. Like, this year, like, it's just like, no, I'm just going for my Lions, which they did pretty good this year. Well, not pretty good. They actually did, like, super well this year. Like, you know, they became, what, the division championship, like, champions. A little update to my fourth gear. I mean, not my fourth, my third is still out. I do have the transmission. I'll see if I put, like, a video of it. But I do have the transmission ready to go. I'm going to be having it installed, I want to say the 20th of this month. So that'll be going in, hopefully everything goes as planned. So I'm gonna go get a car wash right now because it's been like, what, like forever since I've given this thing a nice good rinse. So that's where we're about to go right now. So right now I'm gonna go get a car wash because, you know, it's a nice day out. Honestly, it's been weird how, like, we're in February and it's been nothing but nice weather. Like, yeah, the sun's out, no snow. I mean, it's a little bit cold, but dude, compared to like the other times or like the other winters, like, this has been so nice. Like, it just feels so nice to look. We got people walking around and everything. Like, it's just good, man. Usually you gotta watch out right here because the blind spot's kind of trash, even though like I can see the blind spot right here, but you know, just that making sure. No one here. That's what we like. So you're not gonna go? Alright. I keep forgetting that I don't have third because I was close to downshifting to third, and then I realized there's nothing there. There's absolutely nothing there. Let's see if you can hear